Yeah, we're back. BPEC.
Wow, right and
Giving applause. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Okay, we have a new friend here. Hi, Brian.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. If I say hi, you say hello. Right? Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I'm kidding. Thank you, Brian. Anyway, we talk about zombie scrolling.
Okay.
Okay. Have you heard about this term before?
Never.
Never.
Yeah.
Never enough.
I just
Uh-huh.
heard about this just now.
Not yesterday.
No.
Oh my God, very honest. How do you think about this term, this phenomenon?
Like zombie scrolling. Yeah. Like we always use our social media all day to do like always scrolling. What's the new information? What's the entertainment show? And etc.
Is this important to discuss, to share information to smart listeners at home?
What is it?
Is this important to discuss this and to share?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because because this is interesting topic to discuss, and maybe all of you don't know what is zombie scrolling itself. So
Before?
Yeah, before. So yeah, we have to discuss about this.
To educate, to educate
many
people
people.
or listeners, smart listeners at home, right? Okay, thank you, Brian. I'm love to you, Eddie.
yes.
Yeah, Eddie like a British. Eddie,
Yes.
yeah.
Eddie.
Okay.
Hi.
How could it be this phenomenon happened?
Well, because because I have always done it, so I think the causes mostly come from our free time. I mean, when we don't have things to do, like maybe we want to get some rest or something, because I think that the most of the times that I am on the screen is when I want to get to bed. I mean, because it's time to get some rest, so that's when it mostly happening, and also I realized that because I'm in a place where we are told to get people addicted to social medias, like to get people's attention, to stay still on a screen. So I feel like this happens mostly because we are entertained. I mean, when you see things on the screen and you get it, like it's fun, like there's this kind of feeling that you have inside of you, and you feel like, wow, this is a good thing, and you keep scrolling, and because the curiosity that we have, that God has made for all of us, it's just insane. I can't even explain it, how amazing that we have as humans, like the curiosity and the willing to mostly I feel like mostly people who do this because they're stressed. They have been outside, like they have been outside for doing all of the things that can make them feel down or something like that. So I feel like this happens when you get stressed, and also when you're alone, when you feel like you just don't have friends or something like that, because most of the times
it sounds like willy-nilly. Mau tidak mau. I have to spend my time to scrolling.
Because I'm single, so I do this all the time. But so Yeah, I think that's when it
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah.
Those things that
I
can
cannot I
cause it.
can notice that. Okay,
Yeah.
willy nilly. Okay, thank you, thank you, Eddie. Okay, what about you, Brian?
Okay.
How could this happen? How could it be this happen? This phenomenon?
Yeah, because the social media is increasing all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to how to say, we have to follow
The trend?
the trend. Yes.
Oh my God, we have followed the trend.
Yeah.
Include zombie scrolling.
Yeah, include that.
Are you sure?
Uh,
Sometimes.
yeah, sometimes.
Okay. Anything else? The reason?
No.
Okay, you keep your statement.
Okay.
Okay, I back to you again. Could you continue the positive side? Even this phenomenon, bad, but not totally, not absolutely negative. But there is positive things, whatever things, right? So the positive things, the positive side you can get about this zombie scrolling. What was that?
All right. So it's like my job to like develop my skills on social medias.
Mhm.
So I feel like what I found is that the ways that we can make it positive is when you follow, like limit your followings.
Mhm.
Limit your followings first, because
Mhm.
what you see on your home or your, I don't know what it's called, is feed or something.
Mhm.
On Instagram maybe it's called feed, but on TikTok it's called FYP
Okay.
or something like that. So limit your following first. I mean, I can even tell who you are by who you follow. Like those people who you follow on the social medias can tell you who you are.
Okay.
So the first thing is you need to really be careful by following people. Like those suggested posts that you see on your screen mostly come from the people who you interact the most.
Okay.
And also that also it's about your search. I mean, what you search on social medias will be like because I've studied this. I mean, even on Google itself, it impacts your TikTok FYP actually, because that's
like you means algorithms.
yes, exactly, algorithm.
Okay.
That's how TikTok actually works. Like, I mean, those people who you see on your FYP, those people are the same kind of people who you search on Google. And also like your, I mean, you know, so that's my secret is to make it positive, is to
Don't open your secret.
yeah.
Yes.
I can keep it.
Okay.
But you know, actually, it's crazy because I have children that I live with my home, and I when I see their phones, I'm surprised to see that like those people can give bad impact on them. You know, like, so as someone who's older, I really need to change it by not deleting it, but it's by first I have to really search many things that are good, and follow those kind of people who are good as well, and now I'm relieved because I see good things that can be on their screens right now. I hope that can be changed for a while, and so. And it's actually up to us too as well, because because it's actually distracting. So it means like be careful. I mean, because when we do, I mean, I've heard a saying that says that you are when you are alone, or you are when you have free time, or something like that. I mean, I can tell someone's real true self from
Kejahatan tidak akan terjadi blah 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 blah, something like that. Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Eddie. Okay, what about you? What is the positive side you can get for this phenomena? Even this phenomena is the, not good. Yeah, yeah. What is the positive side you can get about
The
it?
positive side for me is like in social media we can find like
Mhm.
a lot of things,
Mm-hmm.
negative and positive, obviously,
Mhm.
but it just depends on you how you filter what you searching for
Mm-hmm.
in social media.
What the example?
For example, if you want to be rich, then find something that will lead you to the rich thing, like how to be success in the easy way,
Oh, yeah.
in the younger age.
Yeah.
And if you are just like search for fun or something like that, like watching people dancing around and singing around and stuff like that is really useful for you. So you define who you are, like what you're looking for exactly in social media. It depend on you.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. For the key is you. Not everyone is you. Yeah.
Okay. It's real tanpa pemanis buatan. Okay. What about you? What is the positive side you can get for this phenomenon?
Yeah, the positive thing that for using the social media is you can get more information.
Yeah.
Beside
If you want to get a lot of information, watching and listen Smartfm.
yeah, exactly. every Tuesday night.
Okay, continue.
Okay, continue. Yeah, you when you are scrolling your social media,
you get a lot of
yeah,
information.
you can get a lot of information. Besides the social media itself, can get you more fun. Improve yourself. Improve self.
Okay.
And also like Atika said before, it's depend on you.
Okay.
Well, what are you searching for? It's
It's you. Okay, thank you, Brian. What about you, Dia? What is the positive side you can get even this phenomenon is bad?
Yeah, the positive impact, it depends on the user, as Atika said before, that it can be positive and it can be negative. It depends on the user how they searching out on that, or how to they manage their time to giving a limit to using a phone. That because in the positive side, we can increase any information, and that platform, I mean social media, can make us make it like a platform to improve our personal branding for career, because the HRD, I mean, for recruit.
HRD, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, human resource development.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, for before what is how to say recruitment. So they searching their account, social account. So it can be
like LinkedIn
or Instagram maybe. So in nowadays people run to making personal branding, a good personal branding on social media, and I think it's good things. And we can scroll on TikTok how to make a personal branding.
What side are you? Are you debater? I
government side.
Government side. Okay. Any else?
I guess that's it for this situation.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Lino? What is the positive side you can get for this phenomenon?
Nothing. I think all this thing from this habit, our trust. No, I'm just kidding.
I see.
If I can see, make anyone who have bad economic can get a good
Get rich.
get rich
Obviously.
and make some loser make be a superstar.
Wow.
And
Amazing.
now we can call the celebgram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just you dancing or make have a good body, you can be a celebgram.
Even you are feeling blue, sad, broken, how to say,
Yes.
broken heart,
Funny or maybe
like Fajar.
maybe
Sad
like kind of weird people. You can be celebgram or be superstar, and television gonna invite you to be
to come.
and being famous. But the something from that is make some have a grow up the economic, have a get a job, and
Okay.
and maybe make anyone happy, because that's stupid thing they do like that. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Entertainment
Yeah.
someone is a good thing, make someone happy, but
Yeah.
maybe not have a value.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Oh wow, amazing. How to say perspective for you guys, for you. Amazing. But give big applause for us first. Thank you guys for coming here in our second home, and we discuss about zombie scrolling. Yeah, of course. And that's all our discussions, my listeners, about zombie scrolling. I think we will meet again in for the next week. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
See you. Bye bye. See you for the next week.